Hi, today we're going to show you how to remove red wine from your carpet. It just comes up at the holiday time that one of your friends drops a glass of wine on your carpet and you want to know how to get it out quickly. As you can see in this particular case, the wine has gone through to the backing of the carpet. We'll show you how to use 3 common products in your home to remove this red stain. The first we're going to start with is hydrogen peroxide. We're going to spray the hydrogen peroxide onto the wine area, the wine spilled area, and we're going to take the back of our spoon and we're going to just agitate it in there a little. Again, not aggressive, just work it into the fiber so it gets down nice and deep. Then we will take our microfiber rag and we're going to blot that red wine across to the microfiber rag. You will start to see it transfer, and you want to then go to a cleaner part of the rag. You can use paper towels to achieve this. You'll note that I twist, and that as I'm doing it. I'm not scrubbing, I'm basically just trying to work the solution of the hydrogen peroxide into the red wine and have it transfer across onto the rag. In this case, I'm going to give a second application because this was a deep spill, and we're going to again blot it across, twisting it to get as much of that red wine up. Then we're going to go to our detergent solution, and we're going to spray the detergent solution down onto the spot, again the back of the spoon, and we're going to agitate it in order to suspend the hydrogen peroxide. And we're going to use again the towel. I'm going to get a fresh one, and we're going to again blot that across onto the rag. Keep transferring the rag area so that you're using a clean, dry spot. And then we're going to finish it off with vinegar and water. The vinegar water solution will neutralize the detergent. Again, twisting and blotting. There you have it. The red wine is all gone. And you're ready to go back and enjoy your Thanksgiving dinner.